right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their outdoor string lights 2-pack. Now, this is really the only picture. Nothing on the top. Same on that side. Just a warning over here. And then here you can actually see 48 feet RGB LED string lights, 15 sockets, and this is the model GLS 22C2RGBW-SC-15. Let's open it up though, see what we have. All right, look at this. All nice and neat. Are they each separated, or they are? So here's your first set, and then here's the second set. And then there's some extra bulbs and 3 remotes. Don't know why there's 3 for 2 items, but hey. And some instructions. And that's it for the box. So we have, looks like 5 extra bulbs here, and then 3 of the same remotes. And then we have this nice little power cable that runs into this, that gives us a little power button, and then has all of our lights on it. Now I do believe that these can tie directly together, so at the very end of this one, there should be like a spot where I can plug in, yeah, this right here, I believe. So yeah, there's where I could plug in this set, and then, you know, they would all run off of one power outlet. So these look really nice, really good quality. The cable feels good and strong, and you've of course got all of these, so you can, you know, hang them basically anywhere. 48 feet of cable, that's a lot of cable. And these seem to just twist right out. So that'll essentially do it for this outdoor RGB LED string lights 2-pack unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.